Hi friends, I'm back again with the Laduora Lumeo skincare device, and you have seen more details about this in this video. But today, because it's Black Friday and they have an amazing good price or discount, I wanted to give you a demonstration of how I've used it, how easy it is to use, and what you can expect. First of all, and this is coming in your first package from them, the activating serum. This is the 8 Pepta, and this is really good. It has a lot of active ingredients, and it's made for this device specifically. So I recommend also using this, but you can, if you like to, use your own serum. The whole idea is that the Lumeo will help your active ingredients, your serum, to penetrate more easily into your skin. So let's get started. Let's add some serum first, 8 Pepta, and I'm just doing 2 pumps. Add it to the inner parts of my face because we are going to slide it out and up. I found out that the best way is to actually put the serum in the middle part of the face. And then you turn the device on. You have a button there, hold it in, and it starts with level 1. This is a red light therapy only, and then you will go on. Level 5 is what the website recommended for me. You can do a questionnaire on the website to get the best program for your concerns and your skincare needs. So it's really easy to find what program you should use. Start by the nose and under the eye. And go all the way out, and also try to stretch it a little bit up. And then over the nasolabial fold, move slowly out and up. And do this in sections like this. You can, on level 6, you can feel some muscle activation. That's how it's supposed to work. And then you can do this for 30 seconds on this in this area of the face, or you can do like I do. I usually do 3 minutes on each side of the face, and then 30 seconds on the forehead, and then 3 minutes on the neck. That's what I'm using, but it's absolutely up to you and your schedule. So if you don't have time for more, do 3 minutes. Do it 3 to 5 times a week, or every day if you like, morning, evening, whatever suits you. You can use it both morning and evening also if you like to. If you have the time, I find this one so relaxing. When you have gone over everything, you can concentrate more on your problem areas, like if you have some fine lines, or for me, the nasolabial folds. You can just concentrate more on them, or more on your areas, and then just do like this. And that was 3 minutes, you guys. So it will turn off after 3 minutes. If you want to do more than 3 minutes, just turn it on again and choose your level. Or you can alternate, maybe doing just LED lights in the morning. It's like level 1 or level 2. And this is so relaxing. Vibration, that is also the massage that you're getting. So the face massage is included. It's so relaxing. When you're done with one side, go on to the next one. Add your serum, do your work. And then for the forehead, I'm doing mostly this direction. So going from my eyes and up, eyes and up, eyes and up. And you can also go from the inner part and out and up. So I'm spending 30 seconds on my forehead, and I also concentrate on the 11th. And then the neck. Apply your serum and do upwards motions and go all the way up. And then you can also do outwards and avoid the middle area of your neck. So that's how easy it is. I have used it for 3 weeks now. I can highly recommend it, and take a look at my other videos about this device to see how it's working. And Black Friday, 40% off, 40% off. This is probably a one-time occurrence. So if you really have been thinking about buying this, now is the time. And if you choose to use my affiliate link, I'm really appreciating that, but it's all up to you. There's no pressure, but you will support our community if you use my affiliate link. And later on today, we are going shopping. I'm going to add a Black Friday shopping video and give you, in my opinion, best deals out there. So see you then, and bye for now.